Well, if we take it out of the nutshell, overt teaching is primarily being open about the stages and the aims of a lesson with the student, being open about why we do something and what we hope the students will be able to achieve by us doing that. So it's unpacking the lesson. It's removing the kind of the Wizard of Oz element of teaching. We're no longer trying to hide our intentions. We're being open about exactly what we're doing and what we hope the students can do as a result of us having done that. So each stage is unpacked for the students.
For us, it begins with why. We need to know why we're doing, not just what we're doing. It can't just be, oh, this is a really interesting lesson or article. It has to be, why are you doing it? What are they better at by the end? Why are you doing this running dictation? How does it lead towards your goal? So you need to be asking yourself this question, why am I doing it? And if you can't answer it, maybe then that will lead to a discussion with your director of studies, with your peers, and gradually sort of learning why and honing and discussing it. And then once you know why, you're bringing that into the classroom, because your students need to know why. It can't just be, we're doing this reading now, and now we're doing this listening. It has to be, we're doing this reading because we're working on reading skills, or because we want you to engage with the content, or because we want to pull out the language from it, or all three. But if students know why they're doing it, they can then focus. They are prepared to learn. So we think everything begins with why, and it starts with you and then bleeds into your students.